Chef Sal was recorded on a cell phone in front of a fake audience.
Chef Sal here. I'm not pointing at anybody. As a matter of fact, I'm pointing at my cabinets. But I love my fake audience. We're gonna turn an avocado magically into chocolate pudding. Totally paleo, no white sugar. I'm serious. I want you to try this and do a taste test with your friends or family. I'm gonna try it on myself and see if I know the difference between this and real chocolate pudding made from scratch. Avocados, when they are ripe, they become a whole new animal, like an animal you've never seen before. Ever. Here's the deal. We're just gonna stick it all in a food processor. You mix it around, bing bang boom, and you are done, just like that. So, I'm gonna show you how to pit an avocado. This one's really soft. You know, you can get them soft or buy them and keep them out if they're not quite totally soft yet. See, there's little pieces of brown in there, but I gotta tell you, let it go. This pit is actually coming out easily, but if it doesn't, you take your knife and you whack it in the middle and twist, and she comes right out on you, Johnny. All right, let's get rid of this. We'll put my knife over here for now. And like I said, this is going into the food processor. This is very easy stuff here. So I'm going to take the back of a butter knife and I'm going to make little cross sections as such. And then we're just going to scoop it out and it'll already be cubed. Cubed. I love that word. I want to cube everything. Everything in my life from now on is going to be cubed. I have to have a long talk with Nancy when she comes back. She's running in the challenge for her gym today. But when she comes back, I'm going to talk to her about cubing everything in her life. I'm sure she'll be very happy to hear that after running 37 miles. Honey, sit down. I have something to tell you. Anyway, I'm going to put this into my food processor here. I'm telling you, don't blink. This will be over. Then you'll be like, what happened? I thought that maybe, I don't know, I could get something, information on how to do this kind of pudding. I thought I was gonna get pudding. Right, while you weren't looking, I kind of spliced and edited. Now the food processor's in front of me, so you don't have to be like, hey, what's on the other side of that thing? Hey. This, my friends, is very simple. It's a tablespoon of coconut milk and a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla. Just put it in there. Don't ask many questions. This is a quickie recipe. I gotta get this done. Bing, bang, boom, bang, boom. Unbelievable pudding. And by the way, you can use this in a pie if you want to make a chocolate pie. Could you imagine chocolate pie? Just right now to have it. It's a Sunday morning. I might do it anyway. I mean, I got my little robe on. Did you miss the robe? Come on. I mean, right? I know everybody tunes in just to see a guy in his robe. No, that would be my three sons.
My Three Sons.
Only old people know what that show is. Look it up, you'll see what I mean. Oh, hi, Rob. I don't know. What was in that pipe? That's what I want to know. Pulse. Adding liquid to the cubed solid will facilitate the smashing up factor. Look that word up. Smashing.
Smashing
up factor. Remember, you want a pudding. You don't want, chocolate juice. Very nice. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of powdered cocoa mixed with a quarter cup of coconut palm sugar. Stick it in. Bang, bang, and boom. Now keep some coconut milk next to you because you might have to add a little bit of it in to kind of facilitate things a little bit. It might get a little choppy and chunky in here. Let's pulse it again. Looking good. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to get a spatula. Scrape down the sides. This is great. It's like it's done already. I just got to make it a little bit creamier, that's all. It's incredible. Really incredible. This to me is the most amazing transformation of a fruit product you would see. Now, I'm going to send you home with a couple of assignments, and one of them is to figure out why the hell an avocado makes chocolate pudding. Just watch the show. Let's scrape a little bit more down the sides here. You don't want obviously any green showing. You know, when you have your highfalutin friends over, they're always looking for a way to nail you on something, you know, like, ooh, I don't mind the creaminess, but it's not supposed to be green. I know. This man should be taken off the air. He should. A green chocolate pudding. I think I need a drink. Good. Pulse away, baby. All right. Now, I'm tempted to add a little bit more coconut milk, but that's just me being impatient because I have to keep scraping the sides. If you add liquid to this, you're not going to have to pulse it so much, but then it's not going to be pudding. So just take a breather, do as I do. See? All right, I'm going to let it run now. All right, this is good stuff. You know, one thing about these food processors, somebody should come up with a way to clean these things, these blades. These are really tough. But we don't know yet, so you gotta just throw it in the sink. That takes care of that. I'm gonna grab me a bowl. I just want to make sure I got all my ingredients. Yeah, my ingredients have been in. See how easy that was? You see, it was so fast. I wanted to actually make sure I put everything in because it went so fast. You can make this by yourself at home, alone. Gotta tell you, 5 minutes, you'll be done. 5 minutes. So there you have it. I'm gonna come up to camera one, show you this really, really close. This is avocado paleo chocolate pudding. This is it, folks. I put some mint on top. Chocolate and mint. I mean, I think I'm going to do another show on how to make this into an ice cream too, and throw some mint in there. Mint chocolate chip paleo ice cream. Anyway, Chef Sel here. I hope you enjoyed the show. Make this. Make it now. Go out and get some avocados. Make them squishy. Make sure they're squishy. Love you. Thank you.